Hello guys, in this video I am going to show the Stripe custom elements by using the Vue.js. First I will create a normal Vue CLI app. We will select the manual configuration. We need the Babel and we don't need the Vue router. We don't need the CSS process. We need the linter. And we will pick ESLint with the prettier and we will do on save the linting action, and the preferred config will be package.json, and I'm not saving for this future project. We'll wait for the app will be bootstrapped. It will take a while to collect all the dependencies. Okay, now the app is configured, so we'll move to the project directory, and okay, everything is in place. So as I have already WebStorm installed on my machine, I will open this project with the WebStorm. Okay, the project is opened. As you note, these Stripe elements, there is already a npm package I came across. I found it's quite easy to integrate, even though it's a basic one. So it will help people to understand how the Stripe payment works, and this npm package is very easy to use in the project. With a very minimal steps, we can up and run the Stripe payments. Also, first we will install the npm module. The package name is vue hyphen stripe hyphen checkout. We'll wait for till the package installed. Yeah, meanwhile we'll go through some concepts, like to make the Stripe payments works in any of the application, whether it is a React or Vue or any normal JS application. We need to have the test key in the sense, it's like an authorization key that we'll get it from the Stripe account. When we log into the Stripe, you need to create a token. One will have a public token and another one is a secret token. The public token will go in the client side and the secret token will be on the server side. These both tokens will be authenticated when you made any transaction or any payment. So the Stripe will know that okay, this is a genuine transaction, so I need to record this in my dashboard. Okay, now the package is installed. I'll move to the src directory and I'll move to the components. Okay, as we have already hello world. Okay, yeah, let's open the hello world, and I am going to remove all the content from the hello world because we are not going to use any of the thing, and I am going to refactor the component also. I'm going to refactor as checkout. Okay, the checkout is now empty. So I have the component code in the clipboard. You can wonder like oh, how you got this code. This code, as we install the npm module, let me navigate through the module. So there they give the basic implementation how we need to use inside the component. We'll go over there. This is the module that we installed inside our project, and this module will support two kind of payments. Like one is like a checkout thing, and this is like a basic code, like how we can integrate. So this is all about the code. From here, as we spoke earlier, the first thing that we need to is when you are making any integration related to the Stripe, the one thing that you need to be aware of is like having the publish key. Okay, to get this key, uh, we will log into the Stripe dashboard. As I already logged in earlier, so it will be directly navigated to the dashboard. Okay, after once you navigated to the dashboard, there is a developers tab. Just click on that, and in the developers there is API keys. Here there are two types of keys. One is the secret key and one is the public key. The public, these are the test keys, so we can use inside our project to make a test payments. So this will avoid so directly not using any production case in our application in the testing phase. Okay, we copied the key and let's navigate to the project directory, and okay, I replaced the key. So from here everything is set. It's an ES linting, so we can suppress for as of now. Regarding this component, everything is okay, and we no need to do any kind of changes. So because everything is in place, we install the dependency module and we register the component. This is the dummy data in the sense uh, the amount that you are going to send to the server. This is the public key, and this is the token that will be created when you made a payment. You'll get some kind of information related to the card, whether the card name or card CVV, and all this information will be encrypted in the form of token, and that will be sent to the server. So now the component is ready. So we will navigate to the app component. Here this component is already imported. So as we renamed the component, we will rename this component also, checkout.view. But it's not used. Soon we are going to use the component. Okay, let's remove this, and here we have the checkout components that's already registered. So now the component is in place, and let's spin up the server and how it look like. Yarn server will be the command to spin up the server. The server is up. Now let's navigate to the browser. Oh, it's good. The component is loaded. It needs a bit of CSS. So, and if you observe, the language is a bit different because the component view allows us to change the German, if I'm not wrong. So I'm changing. Now it is changed to the English as we are changing the type of language in the component. So it needs a bit of CSS to appear a bit nice. So I am going to give as a wrapper. I'm going to do the basic styling. I'm going to give it some 600 pixel. To make the component appear in the center of the web page, I am going to give margin 0, auto, and height should be 100% just in case. And let's see how it looks. It looks good. Let's test. The component is completely functional. Now we are doing only the styling changes. If you want to check whether it is functional or not, we can give like C. Your card number is incomplete. The validations and everything is working fine. Now we will do some styling for the button also. I'm going to add, as this is a single button on the web page, so just I'm going with the element level CSS. If you want to see the live changes, we'll dash the button. And I'm giving color to here. Once the button is completely styled, and it will be similar to the Stripe payment gateway button, like to maintain the theme consistency. Background should be like this is the Stripe theme color. Now you can see how the button is getting the styling and everything. And we will add some box shadow to appear fancy. And give RGB of 50, 50. Okay, it will do automatically. The border radius is 4 pixel. So this is one of the feature of WebStorm. So the border radius will be applied to all browsers. Yeah, the button is getting similar to the Stripe button. We will add some more decoration. let the button should be on the center only. So sorry. Oh. Let's make this reflection and magenta of some varium and align item center, justify content center. Okay, we'll do some. I will remove some styling. I don't think we don't need that. And float left, let's remove this. And magenta by making one. Okay, we are good. Let's see. See, now the component is fully functional and we integrated with the Stripe. Yeah. And in the description I will give you all the links that I followed while creating this video. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on posting the more videos related to the tech, whether the React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, and some code snippets.